Hello everyone, I'm Gabriel. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a video that's part of a series of videos I'm doing on beauty, wellness, health, and longevity. I'm 46 years old and I did a video a couple days ago on my natural skincare regimen and routine for my face. So if you want to look young and have great skin, be sure to check that out. Today I'm doing a video that's really important for everybody. And this is, what is the best natural thing you can do to prevent illness, sickness, and disease? So many of us are raised and taught that you just live your life, and if you get sick, you just run to the doctor and take a medicine that fixes everything, or get a flu shot. And unfortunately, all those medicines we take are full of side effects and have negative consequences in the body. So today I'm going to talk about something that everyone can do. It's easy, it's all natural, to prevent getting sick, and that is juicing. And I've got a specific combination of juices that I take on a regular basis that, man, keeps me feeling great. I haven't had a cold or flu or illness in at least 5.5 years. All right, so let's get into it. Get yourself a good juicer. And the first thing you want to juice on a regular basis is ginger root juice. Ginger root is a superfood. It's the single best anti-cold, anti-illness, antiviral, and antibacterial thing out there, okay? And ginger root is not only preventative, it also kills any virus or bad bacteria that may already be existing in the body. So it's an absolute must to feel good and not get sick. Secondly is celery juice. Celery prevents disease, it's anti-inflammatory, and has the highest concentration of flavonoids in it. And those are a compound that carry out important functions in plants, and when ingested by humans, they're a big supporter of our autoimmune health. So celery is great for feeling good. And lastly, I don't know if this gets as much credit as it deserves, but parsley juice. Parsley is an incredible herb. It strengthens the immune system. It lowers blood pressure naturally, so it's a natural diuretic. If you have high blood pressure, this is great. It reduces water weight. It's a blood purifier. It helps digestion. And parsley is full of iron, and iron deficiency is the single highest nutritional deficiency in the United States and the leading cause of anemia. All right, so taking parsley juice on a regular basis is a great idea. So you juice everything, and you just need to take about 1 ounce of each juice a day, more or less. All right, this is about 4 ounces of ginger juice right here. You can juice more than you need at one time, and keep it in a nice, airtight container like this. Store it in the fridge, and they're good for about 5 days. So that's it. To me, it tastes fine. Some people, drinking green juices and ginger have a little trouble with the taste. If that bothers you, just squeeze some lemon into it, and that'll balance out the flavors just fine. And take these juices on a regular basis. You're not going to get sick. You're going to feel wonderful. So that's it. Keep checking me out. Don't forget to subscribe if you like me, and catch you soon. Peace out.